Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial today, I will show you how to reset a Windows 11 password if you forget it. Let's get started. If you are using Windows 11 system with your online Microsoft account, then you can easily reset it by using the Microsoft account recovery page. Open any browser and search for the Microsoft account recovery page. The recovery link is already given in the video description. Here, enter your email ID or registered mobile number. Now enter your recovery email address. If you don't have a recovery account, then select the mobile OTP verification option. Here, enter the last 4 digits of your registered mobile number. Then, verify the CAPTCHA and enter the received OTP in your mobile number to reset your password. After entering the OTP, you will get a reset page and enter a new password for your Microsoft account and save it. Then, log into Windows using the new password. If you are using an offline account, then reset the PC by keeping files and settings unchanged. Open Settings and go to the System tab. Then scroll down to Recovery Options and open it. Click on Reset PC. Reset that PC by keeping files and settings unchanged. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.